Hey guys, I just got out of the shower. Welcome back to our vegan channel. We just went for a nice bike ride. So we're hungry. We're hungry girls. We want to have something nice for lunch today. We're going to be making vegan lobster rolls.
OMG.
So we've got some beautiful hearts of palm. That is going to be our lobster meat. Now the trick to this, it's not my recipe. This recipe has been all over the internet by Chloe. People have done variations on it. I'm going to do my own variation on it. So I've got 2 cans because I want some left over. 1 can would probably be enough for us for lunch or dinner, and maybe another half person. So I have 2 cans. This one was a salad cut, so it's already cut up already. Usually the salad cut is a little bit cheaper than the whole ones, but these happen to be the same price, so I got one of each. You want to cut these so that they kind of look like lobster. I mean, if you're into that. And then, you know, that pushes through, and you could also do like calamari with these, but just cut them up to make them look like lobster, if, like I said, if you're into it. And we're just going to marinate these for a few hours. It's not lunchtime yet. We're not going to be eating for probably another 3 hours. So I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in there and a little bit of lemon juice. Don't worry about the measurements. Everything is going to be in the info box for you for 1 can, because I realize not you guys aren't as hungry as we are all the time. We eat a lot of food. So this is going to be for 1 can. So let this sit in the refrigerator with some wrap over the top, or put it in a container if you're not into using plastic wrap like a Tupperware or Rubbermaid, and let it sit for a few hours, and then we will come back and put it together. I gotta get that. All right, we're back. It's been a few hours. This has been marinating in the refrigerator. It smells wonderful. That's gonna help to tenderize it a little bit. Sometimes you get a piece of palm that is not quite so tender. This is the type of dish that only gets better with age. So if you could leave it overnight, that would be ideal. But if you've got any leftovers, and you probably won't, that are hanging around, they'll be even better the next day. So before we mix this up, I'm going to prepare the buns. I've already got 2 in the toaster. I'm just going to, you don't have to do this part, but like I want to make it fancy. I'm just going to put a little bit of vegan butter on here and pop it in the toaster. It's going to be like a crouton bun. Yum. You don't have to put a lot of butter, just, you know, just enough so you know that it's there. So we're just going to add this to its friends. You can go hang out with your friends. And now we're going to make the rest of this. So, like I said, we have our hearts of palm that have been marinating. To that, we're going to add some Old Bay and some dill. I got emotional there for a minute. Just kidding, there was something in my throat. Probably a piece of celery that I was chewing on. So this is just going to go in. That's all the seasonings you need, really. I mean, we don't want to drizgi this up, and by drizgi, that means diarrhea in Croatian. According to my mom. I don't know any other Croatian people to ask, but I'll just have to take her word for it. So you don't want to drizgi this up. You just want to, you just want it simple. Keep it simple, stupid, right?
Yeah.
Because that's what gets results, right? Keeping it simple. So we're going to add our mayo, vegan of course. You can add a little or a lot. I tend to not want to add that much because I don't like it too soupy. So we'll just get the mayo pre-mixed. And then there's only 2 other ingredients, and that is celery, chopped very fine, which is this. And now you can use red onion or you can use scallions. I prefer scallions. I like them. Red onion might be a little bit too much bite. I like the green in there too. Oh yeah, the smell coming off of this is not drizgi. That is for sure. This smells like a snack. Alright, as soon as the buns are out of the toaster, we'll be ready to plate. What's out of the toaster?
Whoa.
These look so amazing.
That seriously looks so beautiful. I could cry right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you fancy?
Sometimes.
All right, well, today you will be. This is gonna be just like, remember back in the day when people made like deviled eggs and stuff and they put this on there and you were always like,
that.
well, we don't eat eggs, so we don't do it anymore. This is a work of art.
That's gorgeous.
Right here. This is your summer fare right here. Whoa. Maddie's going to hulk down on one of those. Are y'all ready for this?
No. No and yes.
Where's your weapon of choice?
Ooh, I don't even know which one to go for. I'll just take this one because it's like kind of on top. Whoa. No, this one. Okay, ready?
Yup. Yeah.
Hold on, I just got like all bread.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that.
Let me just bite from the top. Mmm.
You like that?
I love that.
Oh, whoa.
That's really good.
Whoa. It's only been a short time and she pulled out the L word.
Let's move in.
Yeah.
It's really, really good.
All right. And you saw how simple it was, guys. Give it a try. It's a nice, light, summer, spring even meal.
I'm gonna get my plate ready.
You don't even have to turn on the oven. It is so simple. And you can even make it the night before and have it ready to put in the lunch boxes the next day.
Beautiful.
So easy.
I feel like we're like on the boardwalk or something.
Right? I hope you give it a try. It's really simple. You saw it. So like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Yeah, I had to. Till next time, much love.